Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials so you can build quickly. Install and sign into the PowerPoint mobile app. Once done, allow storage and OneDrive access so files sync automatically. Make sure to pick a 16:9 template or open a recent deck to avoid reformatting later. Tap the plus icon to create a new slide and long press thumbnails to reorder. This first stage gets your workspace ready so you can focus on content instead of layout problems. Now you assemble and refine slides. You add layouts from the layout menu and insert media, images, video, icons, and then use align and crop to place elements precisely. Compress media to save space. Once done, apply animations and transitions, but make sure to set timing so your pacing matches your narration. Use Presenter Coach for rehearsal feedback and the Notes pane to store speaker cues. Finally, double-check aspect ratio and master slide. Finish by exporting and sharing your polished deck. You can export as PPTX for editing, PDF for distribution, or MP4 to embed narration and timings. Make sure to include speaker notes if needed. Once done, share via OneDrive link and configure view or edit permissions. If sharing or sync fails, try toggling OneDrive, force a sync, or clear the app cache and restart the app. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh permissions and tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.